वेला आवाज
सकाळचेपर्यंत 20% एक्स्ट्रा भरपूर फायदा असा 20% डिस्काउंट असं पळय
पण आता या दिवसांनी गरमी जातली त्यांना एसी काय किती फरक
तुम्ही जेव्हा बघा जो चलता एसीची सगळ्यांना मातशें तुम्ही स्टडी करा विचार करून 2 वर्ष त्यानंतर हे सगळं प्रश्न आता पळय त्याच्या पहिली तू कंप्लीट तुम्ही जे प्रश्न विचारता त्याला स्टडी ना ह्याच्या वयल्यान चलता
पुरो आता पयले सुवातेर हांव मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान धन्यवाद करता कित्याक हे प्रश्न लोकांच्या मिडियांनी विचारले आनी तुगे मंत्री सांगता की एक तर तुगे मंत्री तो दिसाचो न्हिदता रातचो जागो आसता दिसता असेंब्लीन आमी पळयला आमचे विरोधी पक्ष दोतोरान सुद्दां तो दिसाचो न्हिदता असेंब्लीन सो हे तो कायदो तुमी आतां हाडटा कित्याक मंत्र्यान गोंयचे जनतेक सारके आबूज करून उडयल्या तो म्हणटा की सांजचे 5 ते सकाळी 9 जो कोण एक्स्ट्रा यूज करतलो ताका म्हणटा आपूण 20% लायतलो आतां हें खरें काय ना इतलें आमकां क्लॅरिफिकेशन दी
थँक्यू सो मच फर्स्ट एकटोच अमित बाब उलयलो आनी म्हाका एक चान्स पडलो की बरे भाशेन हेची क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवपाक व्हिडिओ धाडला हांवें पळोवंक नाशिल्लो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टायम एका म्हणटा टायम ऑफ डे तारीफ ही टायम ऑफ डे तारीफ is in existence from 2015 till today for industries. Okay, I want to clarify again. Time of day tariff is applicable for industries from 2015 till today. Time of day tariff is not for domestic consumer. Time of day tariff जी आसा ती domestic अजून लागू जावं ना. So हे खंयतरी एक मिसइंटरप्रेट केला और बिकॉज खंयतरी सरान कितें म्हटलां from 9 to Sakali. Actually, it is 5 to 1 o'clock. It is time of day tariff for industry. जेन्ना मिनिस्टर म्हणटा तेन्ना it is for all the consumers. कितें स्पेसिफाय करूं जाय आशिल्लें की it is only for industries.
मिनिस्टरान कितें सांग जाणा प्रपोजल आयला ते इम्प्लिमेंट जातले म्हणतो प्रपोजल आयला काय ना आमकां तूं हय काय ना तूं इंडस्ट्रीक लायता तुगे टीओडी इतले वर्स अंडर जीईआरसी ते विचारपाक येवं ना आमचो सिंपल प्रश्न
टायम ऑफ डे तारीफ इज नॉट देयर फॉर डोमेस्टिक
सो मंत्री फटींग उलयता
उलयना
मागीर तूं ऑर्डर कर
देरफॉर एकटो उलया
तूं ऑर्डर कर
मिनिस्टरान सकाळी म्हाका फोन केलो की सांजचो 4 o'clock या 4:30 तो मिडिया कळयतलो आनी प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलो आनी स्पेसिफिकली सांगतलो ते कितें मिसइंटरप्रेट जाला वा तेजे म्हणजे मिस्टेकिनली कितें रॉंग इन्फॉर्मेशन गेला बिकॉज इट्स नॉट व्हेरी क्लियर पूण जेन्ना लोकांक असो स्टेटमेंट करता आमचो मंत्री लोकांक दिसता ही सगळ्यांकूच एप्लिकेबल एक्झॅक्टली सो प्लीज So he will clarify it is only for industries and it is there for so many years. And in fact, आता ती reduce झाला. पहिली ती 120% सर म्हणटा ती 130% आशिल्ली. म्हणजे 30% एक्स्ट्रा आशिल्ली. सो ती आता जेआरसीन कमी केला. आणि वयल्यान डे टायमार ती 100% आशिल्ली ती आनी कमी केला तर 20%
तातूंत ब्रॅकेटां या नाका सिंपल प्रश्न
डोमेस्टिक ना
आणि लावचोय ना
लावचोय ना
कित्याक तो म्हणटा प्रपोजल धाडला म्हणून समज ना जाल्यार तूं डिपार्टमेंटा तर्फे यू आर द चीफ इंजिनियर मंत्र्याक आनी कितें मंत्री कितें उलयता अरे मंत्री लोकांक आबूज आतां एक बरी गजाल की तुवें सांगलें बाबा डोमेस्टिका लायना आतां मंत्री गाडयांत बसता आनी तांकां कितें सांगता मिडियाक तुमी स्टडी करा म्हणटो अरे तुम्ही कांय नोटिफिकेशन धाडू ना तुम्ही पब्लिकाचे सजेशनां मागू ना तुम्ही स्टेक होल्डरांक कॉन्फिडन्साक घेवं ना एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल म्हाका सांगा तुम्ही आता म्हणटा की तो सांगता तुगे मंत्र्याचेर या आमी कित्याक मंत्र्यान स्टेटमेंट केला एक तर मंत्री फटींग उलयता नाल्यार तुमी फटींग उलयता जावपाकूच शकना.
फोटींग उलोवपाचें कांय ना, कितें मिडिया आसा, सर
मागीर आमी मंत्र्याक धरता. क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिलें न्ही, आमी मंत्र्याक धरता.
is in the public domain on our website, on JRC website, on the newspaper also. Tariff is applicable as approved by the JRC. We cannot put our own whatever we want. See, it is exactly implemented the way.
Let me just, I
न्ही,
understood what
तू
you're saying.
न्ही, पूण तो assess कसो करतलो?
Just one moment. See, any proposal for increase of tariff, you will have to put a proposal to JERC.
Yes, sir.
So only one thing we need clarification, because you heard that video.
Mm.
That video seems to be saying that this tariff is coming for everybody. It did not
No.
specify.
It is very clear. Very clear.
Time of day is
It
not
did not
everybody, only for
specify. No,
industries.
you said it. But if anyone listens to this video, it appears that it is across the board to everybody, number one. So therefore, everybody across Goa has got upset and everybody has got up. So you would have seen not only social media videos and even posts which have cut you all down. Now, you say that there is no such proposal. You have explained that this time of day tariff is applicable only to industry and industrial units, and it is not applicable domestic. But when minister also makes a statement that this proposal is there, we only want a clarification now that yes, there is no proposal before JERC on this for domestic users, and that we do not have any proposal for revising this on the basis of time of day usage. That's all we are coming for. That's what we want. And you're saying, of course, minister will clarify his statement. That is the part. But you, on the executive side, that you can clarify to us, and I think
Yes.
people will be happy when they hear it.
Yeah, therefore I said, sir, there is no time of day tariff for the domestic consumer as on today. In the future, I do not know. But at least for the next 2 years or 3 years, I can say specifically, there won't be any time of day, because it is a dynamic, power sector is dynamic. Every time the tariff keep changing. Next 2 years or 3 years, I can say specifically, there won't be any time of day, because for this year, it is a dynamic, power sector is dynamic. Every time the tariff keep changing, but it is as per the approval of the Honorable Commission. So right now, for this year and next year, there is no time of day tariff for the domestic consumers.
नाही एक मिनिट सी तुझो स्टेटमेंट तू आमकां दिलो न्ही की तू कितें सांगता की सध्या आमी डॉमेस्टिकाक लावना पूण मुखाल्लें आपल्याक खबर ना. आतां दुसरे पॉयंटार येता आतां तुजो मंत्री कितें सांगता की टायम ऑफ डे टॅरिफ आमी लायतले, जो 5 उपरांत चड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम करता ताका 20% लायतलो. मेकॅनिझम कितें? अरे म्हज्या घरा हांवें एक्सेस यूज केली म्हूण तुका कशें कळटलें? हाज्या घरा ताणें एक्सेस यूज केली कशी कळटले? ना सांगता तुम्ही जे आता स्मार्ट मीटर पळय हाडपा सोदता, एक मिनिट, स्मार्ट मीटर हो झोल हांगा आसा. एकदा स्मार्ट मीटर लागले की ताका कळटलें की अमरनाथाच्या घरा कितली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज जाली, अमित पाडकराच्या घरा कितली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज जाली. बिकॉज ही सेज की JERC अंडर प्रोविजन आसा म्हणतो फॉर टाइम ऑफ डे.
सरांचे म्हटलां
तू आमकां तुगेल्या मंत्र्याचेर विश्वास ना. ताणे मंत्र्यान डायरेक्ट मिडियाक सांगला तू ऑर्डर काढ.
Sir is very good in law. I will give the tariff order to sir. Tariff order.
अरे लोकांक दी मरे तू टॅरिफ ऑर्डर.
आम्ही तुम्ही म्हटलं because he is very good in law. I said
अरे
लोकांक दिता.
नाही तू म्हाका सांग, आमी हांगा जनरल पब्लीक म्हणून आयल्या, तू आमकां घुसपाय नाका.
ना हांव घुसपाय ना.
कित्याक तुका सांगता दुसरें आयक, तुजे स्टार एलेक्यू क्वेश्चन हांवें हांगा हाडला. तुवें 108 करोड रुपये गव्हर्नमेंटाचेच वसूल करूं ना मरे एरियर्स. आणि तू बारीक सामान्य लोकांक तू म्हाका सांग, एक गोंयकार जर तर बाबडो गरीब मनीस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भरना, तू ताची एका म्हयन्यान कापता. आणि हे तुझे आन्सर, तू हांगा पब्लीक सर्विसीस 108 करोड आउटस्टँडिंग उडय तांची इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
पे केली. It is all paid.
अरे पण तू म्हाका एक सांग, तू आता सादो कंझ्युमर गरीब मनीस जर आसा तो भरनाल तुम्ही ताची कापपा घरा वचना. हे 108 करोडान 108 करोड कित्याक घेतला?
आता
दुसरे
कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस म्हणटा एक आन्सर करता. आता तुम्ही कशें म्हटले, लिडर ऑपोजिशन असेंब्ली ऑल्सो सेड एरियाज कितें आसा ते कट करपाक जाय. आतां कट करपाचें काय कट करप, एक सायडीक म्हणटा तुमी केन्ना कटूय करप, कट करना जाल्यार both way how we have to operate.
अरे डिफॉल्टर ते डिफॉल्टर
we are disconnect everybody. Therefore JRC कितें सांगला, स्मार्ट मीटर पयले गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसांत बसोवया म्हणून. इट इज गुड फॉर द पब्लीक.
आता स्मार्ट मीटराचे येता. आता याच स्मार्ट मीटर काढले.
आता अमित बाबान कितें म्हटलें, स्मार्ट मिटराचेर कळटलें केन्ना कोण कितलो कंज्यूम करता. Therefore, this is the biggest advantage लोकांक.
स्कॅम खंयचे एडवांटेज एक मिनिट अरे एक मिनिट
Okay, scam you have to prove.
पळय हाडला हे तुगेलो 21 जुलय स्टार एलएक्यू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5A जॉईंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एल्टन युरी आणि दोतोर तुका आम्ही विचारिल्ले डिटेल्स तातूंत तुवें सबसेक्शन क्वेश्चन डी तुवें सांगला की आपूण टेंडर फ्लोट केलो एनेक्शर 4 आणि कोणाक मेळ्ळो ते एनेक्शर 5 लायला म्हणून सिंपल म्हजो प्रश्न तुका की तुवें एस्टिमेट केलो 396 crores मरे तुवें एस्टिमेट केलो 396 crores फॉर गोवा टेंडर ऑफ वॉट स्मार्ट सिटी what was the work description smart meter appointment of advanced metering infrastructure service provider for smart prepaid metering in India on DBFOOT basis estimate कितलो 396 crores वो टेंडर काडटा टेंडरान फक्त दोनूच लोक एक जागा टेंडर मेळ्ळा आणि दुसरो अडानी आणि कितल्याक दिला टेंडर 890 crores इट इज मोर देन डबल अरे पीडब्ल्यूडीचे जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट येता ते सगळे लोक बिलो वता मरे मग हे तुवें डबल द प्राइस कसो दिलो दिस इज 400 करोडाचेर 18% धरले जाल्यार 70 करोड झाले अरे साहेब 400 करोडाचेर 18% धरल्यार 17 करोड झाले
You are not allowing. First of all, I said when the comparison is done, you are comparing one value without GST, one value with GST. So there only 60 crores you have reduced 56.
झाले बाकीचे खंय गेले 400 करोड खंय गेले
You challenge my statement. No, this is the estimate cost for the sake of giving the grant. It is not the real cost of the meters. You can ask me right to the central government. We also wrote to the central government. I can give you the file notice if you want. I think it is also attached with your LAQ question. Central government has sangla, it is not the actual cost. It is just the cost which is arrived to give the grant to the state governments. Therefore, this tender has been many a time postponed many times. I think at least more than 50-60 times. If only two players come in the bid, then what we can do?
दोनातलो एक क्रोनी फ्रेंड मरे अडानी
आता अडानी L2 जालो पण बरे तो मग L1 जालो
तो 120% आय आशिल्लो 120%. अरे पूण म्हाका सांग तुमची कमिटीच हेच चीफ सेक्रेटरी बसता हे बसता आणि हे डिसाइड करता अरे तुमचो मेकॅनिझम कितें 50% डबल द प्राइस टेंडर दिला
सांगला म्हाका उलोवपाक दिया न्हू आता
And that
conditions for the tender will be suitable only for two. That's why two are here.
Sir, what is
अरे
the
त्यांचेच
urgency
नरे
of
कोणी
smart
कोणी
meter?
मित्र नरे बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंटाचे
Sir, what is the urgency
न्ही
of
ताचे
smart
जस्टिफिकेशन ऑफ जीएसटी हांगा बसत ना मरे 396 18% जीएसटी लायले 71 करोड जाता टोटल झाले 467 करोड आणि टेंडर दिला 890 करोडाक तो लोकांक पिशा काडटाय 400 करोड रुपये गेले खंय
See, you have to compare first 467 with regard to 890 first.
कशे झाले रे 4-4.5 करोड चड कशे दिले
Then you can write to the central government because we also wrote. They have given the answer that this is just an estimated
अरे
cost
तुका
for
दुखले
giving
ना
interest
जेन्ना
government.
डबल पैसे दिले तुका दुखले ना
दुखूच कित्याक ना ते सांगता की actual cost ताचो हाय आसा
अरे मागीर तुवें कसो एस्टिमेट 400 करोडाचो मागीर कोणे गेलो
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट
अरे मागीर तुवें कित्याक विचारू ना की बाबा 400 करोडाच्या टेंडराक 900 करोड
अबे तू आयको ना हांवें म्हटलं हांवें विचारले हांवें लेटर बरयले
मैं वो स्कैम मरे मैं वो स्कैम झाला डबल अरे 400 करोड खाले कोणे
अरे बाबा
सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट जर सांगतात 450 करोड रुपये टेंडर आणि 900 करोडाक दिता जाल्यार 450 करोड खाले कोणे हे तू सांग आता
आयकोय न्ही आता आन्सर ओके शांत राहून आयकोय आन्सर इज it the estimated cost is only for the purpose of giving grant from the central government it doesn't have any link with the actual cost of the meter. I also wrote to the central government and I got the answer it doesn't have any comparison with the actual cost. You have to see what the value comes from the tender, number one. Number two, therefore we have compared with the other states and it's very well within the limits of the other states value.
Other states are
नाही
smaller,
नाही
no, sir.
एक मिनिट एक
Other states are higher.
सगळे आन्सर
Other states
कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी
are
हा
bigger When the volume is more, the price should come down. When the volume is less, the price goes high.
Who's responsible for this 400 crore?
No, I told you no. Who has told? There is no difference of 400 crores. Please understand. See, I told you. See, it is just if you have to just prove your point, and if you don't want to listen to me, what I can do?
Because this is in black and white.
I
It's not
told
my
you.
thing. You have given
I
answer.
told you this is not actual cost. It is just the cost which has been arrived to give the grant to the state government.
अरे टेंडर जो आता
Because I am not
Why don't there has to be some derivative to arrive at this cost?
No, it
What is the
is.
urgency for smart meters?
What is the urgency? See, I have given the explanation.
There are inputs to arrive at this cost.
No, it is for the
सी तागे उत्तरान तुझे उत्तरान तू पळय सांगता न्ही तांकां कांयच उलयत जायना बिकॉज स्कोप ऑफ वर्कूच चेंज ना
Why don't you
मरे
give a clarification in writing that it
So
is
you
a
tell us
Why don't you give it in writing? Keep this
Together-
in advance.
तशें न्ही तुगेले
Therefore, whoever gives the grant that is central government, we wrote.
अरे
it
मागीर
in the
हांगा
value.
तुवें कित्याक बरोवना टेंडर जेन्ना तुवें एस्टिमेट केलो तेन्ना तुवें हांगा ब्रॅकेटान कित्याक बरोवना तुजो टायटल कितें आशिल्लो अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ एडवान्स मिटरिंग इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सर्व्हिस प्रोवायडर फॉर स्मार्ट प्रीपेड मिटरिंग इन इंडिया ऑन DBFOOT बेसिस ब्रॅकेटान तुवें घालचें आशिल्लें इन्क्लुडींग एक्सक्लुडींग ग्रांट म्हणून
Exactly. Take care to mention
तुवें एस्टिमेट मरे
This is excluding grant.
आता तूच सांगता
That
ग्रांट
is-
दिवपा लागून
For the
आपूण
purpose of giving grant, that is 90 crores we are going to receive from the central government.
90 400 करोडा डिफरन्स आहा मरे
It is a
अरे
grant.
तुगेलो एस्टिमेट आणि टेंडर तुवें दिला हातून 400 करोडाचो डिफरन्स आसा
सांगला ना तुका हें?
कसो सांगतो?
It is the estimated cost म्हणून for just for the giving purpose of giving grant.
सो एस्टिमेटापेक्षा
why-
डबल
why-
दिलो
Yes, but it doesn't have any link with
No,
the
but
actual
why
cost.
not mentioned then? Why it is not mentioned in that?
अरे तू कितें सांगते समजा ना
There is no
जस्टिफाय
percentage.
जायना
It is
percentage
90.
for a
No,
grant.
it is not like that. In other central government schemes, there is a percentage, that is 60%.
Sir, but
ये घालून ना कितें
whatever is
टेंडर
your calculation.
अरे टेंडर घालून ना कितें
So whatever is your calculation, why have you not mentioned that point on that? Excuse me, sir.
अरे तो स्कॅम ते सेपरेट उलोवया
Sir,
एक दोन
why have you not mentioned that in that? You have mentioned all the points, right?
अरे ते काय ना रे भितर तो सांगते
So
वाचला
if
न्ही
it is
टेंडर
true, then why didn't you put mentioned there? I'm saying. Why are you not putting
But
it down?
you-
Why is it
you-
clarification?
आमच्यावर आम्ही या protester-
Whoever codes, he will see the actual cost in the
So
market.
people, general people,
Exactly.
general public will know very well.
Exactly.
There's no confusion. We know where the money is. Where is the money coming from?
सो एक दोन वर्ष ना म्हणटाना मागीर जो मनीस कोट करता तो एक्च्युअल कॉस्ट पळयतलो आनी कोट करतो
Yes.
करेक्ट दिस इज युअर
Correct.
स्टेटमेंट
Correct.
आता तुझे डिपार्टमेंट तुझे म्हणल्यार सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणटा की हे टेंडर काम करपाक मिटर बसोवपाक जे हांवें डिस्क्रिप्शन वाचलें ताका 396 crores लागतले हे कोण सांगता सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट ताच्या उपरांत तूं म्हणटा की सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटानूच टेंडर केलो तूं खबर
तेणे करूं ना.
ना कोणें
आमी tender आमी केलो.
तुवें जेन्ना केलो आनी जेन्ना तुका 2 बिडां आयलीं 3 सुद्दां न्ही 2च आयलीं तातूंतलो एक तुका खबर आहा क्रोनी मित्र जो प्रधानमंत्र्या बरोबर बसता दीस रात हा? आणि दुसरो जो आसा दुसरो जो आसा
अदानी मेलो ना न्ही contract.
सो दुसरो जाका टेंडर दिलो जाचे नाव डीजी स्मार्ट नेटवर्क प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड हाका जेका दिला तेका तुवें 890 करोड प्लस जीएसटी दिलो सो तुका कळ्ळें की बाबा एस्टिमेट
Plus GST न्ही, again I correct. Inclusive of GST नाही.
बरे सो हियर विथ जीएसटी 467 crores एस्टिमेट जालो सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाचो
Plus 18%.
ना धरून 396 18 धरून 467 जालो तुवें टेंडर बीड तुका आयली 2 बिडां आयली तुवें L1 आसताका टेंडर ग्रांट केलो L1 कितलो 890 crores
100% jump up.
विच इज 100% जम्प सो जेन्ना तुका कळ्ळें की ताणें एक्च्युअल ह्या बाटलेक समज 10 रुपया पडटा जाल्यार ताणें 10 रुपया जर लायल्या किंवा 20 लायल्या हे तुजें काम न्ही चेक करपाचें किंवा एस्टिमेट चुकला काय बीड चुकला
Estimate चुकला. Again I told estimate is for the purpose of giving grant 4 years back. 4 years back the estimate was made for the purpose of giving grant.
4
So listen.
jump जाता.
डबल जालो डबल
Yes,
अरे मग टेंडर कॅन्सल करपाचें रे परत estimate करप न्ही. परत estimate करप न्ही.
It is actual cost.
मीडिया स्टेटमेंट घ्या दॅट नो चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हजो क्वेश्चन आसा दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन एक मिनिट एक मिनिट as per Chief Engineer Electricity Department, now we ask questions to all other department. He is saying very good. जर तर तो म्हणता की 4 वर्सां पयलीं आपूण सांगिल्ले 450 करोड, 4 वर्सांनी एस्केलेशन जालो, प्राइस वाडलो म्हणून ताणें 890 करोड रुपये दिले. टेंडर रे
तुवें म्हटला
तुम्ही केलेले टेंडर कोण दिलो?
तू कितें म्हणटा 4 वर्सां एस्केलेट जाला म्हणून हांवें म्हटला.
मग
हांवें कितें सांगलां?
तुवेंच सांगलें मग.
आम्ही विचारलं, तुवें थोडी म्हटलं.
तू रिकॉर्ड
आम्ही विचारलं.
कितें सांगलां? इट्स पर्पज वॉज टू get the estimated cost for the purpose of giving grant, number 1.
That was
Which
not
was
mentioned in that answer, no?
Which is
That was not mentioned there. Why it was not mentioned?
question जाल्यार आन्सर करप ती.
न्ही रे मग एस्टिमेट रॉंग आसा म्हण तूं. एस्टिमेट रॉंग आसा.
Maybe
मे बी तू दिली कशी वर्क ऑर्डर? आमचे 890 करोड रुपये उडयले. हे कोणाचे पैसे? टॅक्स पेयराचे पैसे मरे. हाऊ कॅन यू से की आपण आसतले म्हणल्यार?
बोवाळ करून अशें करता. हांवें तुका सांगलां yes, this is the cost which is aligned with other states. Now you tell me no, all the states.
467 estimate is
What
correct
we
or
have
no?
got, what we have got L1, because the estimated cost is lower for whatever reason for giving of grant, we wrote to central government. Whatever, because there is no reason, no.
Whatever reason.
Exactly. So I have not made it.
There is no reason.
I have not made the estimate. Therefore, whoever has made the estimate, I wrote it that this is the estimate and this is the L1.
You feel it
You are
is
not-
right. You feel it is
No,
right.
I am not feeling right.
Then you should have
because there is
objected.
a difference.
You should have
And it is
objected.
a public money. I wrote it to the.
You should have put it in public domain.
Therefore, the answer came that it is nothing having a relation
So
with the
कोणे
actual
तुका
cost.
दवडीकरान प्रेशर घातलो काय प्रमोद सावंतान घातलो?
कोणेच pressure घातलो
मागीर तुवें कशें हे दिले टेंडर 890?
Because-
तूं आमच्या सायडीन आहा. If you are saying that the
Therefore,
cost-
I wrote and I got an answer, and it is then my seniors told you compare with the other states, and it was in aligned with the other
But Taka
states.
pressure,
Compared with
Taka
other
pressure.
states, did you get anything in
Then no,
writing?
see, you
The
are
comparison.
talking on my behalf, then you can talk.
No,
You
what
are
is the
only saying-
comparison?
You are only saying that I am under pressure.
No,
When
no.
you ask me, I said no pressure.
Your action, you said that you have written a letter.
See, Amit Bab,
You said
see,
you have
you
written-
feel no, it is a scam 467 to this thing. I really do not have any answer. I have told you it is the actual cost which is in line with the other states.
So which is not
Which
matching
states
with
have you
your
compared?
which is not matching with your estimate.
Which is-
अरे एक minute. Estimate was
So what
467.
झालं? Let's.
No, no, अरे
No,
माझे-
no.
कित्याक-
See, listen.
अरे
आता
स्मार्ट
आता
मीटरचे
ऐका.
तू गेले.
अरे, there are a lot of.
आम्ही हे तू आमच्यावर येता.
हांवें तेणे क्वेश्चन विचारलो, हांवें आन्सर दिलो. आता इफ माय आन्सर इज रॉंग, then what else I can do? No, you have come with your mind that is all scam. You will go with the mind that is all
No,
scam.
I am saying
So
what
now
you-
I cannot
अरे-
know what I can do. I have given you the right answer. Why the estimated cost and the actual cost, there is so much difference.
difference is there. You agree to this
agree,
point.
but I told you when you say estimated cost, it doesn't have any relation with the actual cost.
So actual cost can go up.
By how much?
नहीं राव रे. Actual cost can go
Because
up.
in this case, because I had not made an estimated cost, there is normally a process. Estimated cost we send it to the 10 parties. Whoever post them to the average or lower poita and we decide the estimated cost. So this is done by the central government.
Correct.
So therefore we wrote this was the estimated cost, and during various meetings, during the meetings are held by Power Minister, Honorable Minister or Government of India, we have raised this concern that the estimated cost is very, very low, because people were not quoting because the estimated cost was low. So they said it doesn't have any relation with the actual cost. Whatever the value which comes under the after the tender is floated, and whoever is L1, then you make your own mechanism to check. The own mechanism was to check with other states, because almost 80% of the state has gone for smart metering. We have seen their value, and we have compared it, and we have put them on the file.
Clear cut truth सांगता मरे. सगळेच चांगले. एकच चांगले.
Sir, एक question. Sir, you have one question, sir.
I'll seek a clarification. See, ordinarily what any common person would think, that when you put an amount to tender, in this case was 3 crores 96
Yeah,
lakhs.
396.
Huh?
396.
396 crores anode. So when you put this, anybody who bids will bid lower, and L1, L2 is what you're going to take. But when your work order comes for 890
ती
crores,
L1 and H1 जाता.
so you understand, like, so only that is what we are asking for, that explanation. The discrepancy between 396 to 890 crores.
Yeah. So first of all, again, when you speak, it has a lot of value. First is 396, no? Whatever Amit Bhawan calculated, 467.
GST
Okay.
433.
Yeah.
No, GST
No,
cannot be
because
higher than the.
everybody listens to the media, and unnecessarily, it becomes a big. After that, also there is a value.
Right.
There is a lot of difference. That difference, I said, we also have asked clarification. We also asked many times whenever we can call central government meeting. So they say it doesn't have any relation with the. Now it must have arrived low. Why? Because they give grant to the state governments. So this could be the reason. I do not know. But we have asked. They said it doesn't have any relation with the actual cost. You can go with the actual cost as per your tender, and it is your decision because 90% of the cost you are paying
That
as a
means
state government.
your tendered amount was not reflecting the correct value.
Yes, in this case. Normal 99%
That
it has
is
to be.
where-
That's what we are saying. I also agree, sir. I also agree, sir.
No, whoever did it, but it is wrong.
Yes, sir, I also agree. 99% it has to be near to the estimate.
Sir, one question.
Exactly, but the central government has made a value for what you
No, that we will see that part
Yes,
2 of it.
yes,
Your
But
department-
now we are very clear that the tender amount shown here is not relating to nearly the actual amount which would have been come
Yes,
for this.
correct. Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct, no?
Which you can
And the
compare with other states
discrepancy is,
also.
your justification is part
Fine,
2. Your internal correspondence is part 2. But what I'm saying as a common layman, if I look at this and
You are
this,
right.
it is shocking, it is definitely,
Yes, even
which
if-
also
even if-
y'all were concerned
Yes,
about.
it was shocking to me also.
I put another way around to you. In case you had understood that this was it, and you had again retendered with that bid coming to that value, what would have been the difference?
No, therefore we have consulted many other states and we found if we try to refloat it, it might be higher than this. And second thing, listen, let me finish. There is around 300 crores grant. If we not had to go ahead with the smart metering, even that grant would have not come to state government.
So one
that
question.
was the one reason we had to take the feedback of many states and the central government. We wrote a letter. We have to quickly do it.
And the
And
last
now
question.
that is not that quickly also. We have done exact number I do not know. More than 50 times. I think it is 50 plus. It has been extended, and many times many people nobody had quoted.
Last
Because
question.
another the last.
No, come, last question I want
In
to ask.
huge millions of meters at all for the country, it has come at one time. Therefore, the cost was varying again and again. Not this kind of variation, but as the cost variation. So till today, supply of meters is not proper as per the requirement of the different states. So there are multiple reasons, but I have explained you what exactly and how we did it, how we have arrived this cost.
I'm only hoping, please understand, the system which the government follows of providing laptops for students. They place an order today and the laptop is delivered 6 months, 8 months later to the students. By the time that model is being delivered, it's already becoming obsolete. You understand?
Correct.
So you all are going to be getting meters probably 6 months, 8 months down the line after this work order has been issued. So you have to make sure that what you're getting is right and compatible and
Yes.
current.
So
One.
that, yes. So
Number
there-
2, I want
I can
this.
answer.
Wait, okay, you answer this.
So therefore, what we did is, most of the state has gone for smart metering, and there are a lot of issues. Starting always there are problems when you try to go for a new system. So being a small state, and here in Goa the education on social media people are easily. Therefore we delayed it. We wanted to see how the smart metering project goes and how it is implemented in the other states. And after that only, almost when 80% of the states have given the order, we have gone for the smart metering.
What is the
Only reason is just because there are a lot of communication problems. We have first, now also after giving order, we are first trying to assess the network connectivity every corner of Goa, especially Usgaon, Walpoi, Kankon, like places. Till today the AMR are not working. So they are trying to give a different technology so that all meters get communicated, sir.
Okay, second question
Light
which I had
is a
now,
पान पटी हुई था.
just clarify that this smart meter understanding which we understood
smart
at the last meeting when we had
Yes, sir.
at the relaxity this thing, in this smart meter, a consumer has to load money into the amount, into that meter.
It is
If he
prepaid.
does not have the amount, then he has no electricity. Is that correct?
So actually smart metering is both ways, prepaid and postpaid. Now, many a times the opposition MLAs also talk that, many people, there are areas. Now, this is the best system where, I'm not saying that we are going to put it prepaid. Right now, 2 months bill amount, you have to give it as a security deposit. If we implement in prepaid, those 2 months you need not pay. That means you are still paying your bill after a month. So that money will be zero. You need not put any security deposit. And you have to put only your consumption. Second important thing, sir, you will come to know exactly what your consumption every 15 minutes. See, today I myself doesn't come to know what was my consumption yesterday for the last 45 days till the bill comes. And bill only one consumption value comes, let's say 1200 is a unit. How they are distributed over the time for this 45 days or 32 days or 30 days based on the metering cycle, I do not come to know. This is the perfect way to understand what is exactly the consumption every 15 minutes, where I can always look into it and do the corrective steps.
And even if there's an excessive leakage or something.
Exactly. That time you will be able to hold us responsible, sir. You can exactly show the data when the power has failed, when the voltage has gone high, which hour the consumption has gone high. So actually this is empowering the consumer, sir.
आता ऍक्च्युली तू सारको लायनीर येता नो तुम्ही डिस्कशन डायवर्ट झाले बोल आम्ही हांगा आयले तू आमकां सांग 20% नो 20%
Let everybody listen. I am ready to give every clarification to your answer, to your question. All answers I will give. Provided, let's talk in
Okay,
the
so
manner.
he'll ask you.
Yeah, one by one. Yes.
तुम्ही सांगले दोन्ही इंजिनियरांनी सांगले की ड्यूज असले अराउंड मोर देन 600 crores असले हे तुमचोच रिप्लाय आहा.
Yeah. Okay.
सो लेट मी फिनिश. सो तुम्ही सांगले आता दोन्ही इंजिनियर सांगले की ड्यूज आता काय ना म्हणून सांगले तुम्ही काय दिले
एक question
अराउंड
point of time,
consumer
will be there.
ना कंझ्युमर अराउंड 6,551 कंझ्युमरान तुमकां 6,551 कंझ्युमरान तुमकां 1 लाखाच्या वयर तुमकां ड्यूज दिवपाचे आहा. तितून तुमचे ऑफिस आसा, तुमचे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाची 300 ऑफिसां जेंच्यांनी पयशे फारीक करूंक ना. ते 300 तितून डोमेस्टीक आसा, तितून गव्हर्नमेंट इंडस्ट्रियल आसा, तितून आनी खुबशी आसा जे कमर्शियल आहा, इंडस्ट्रियल आहा, पब्लीक सर्वीस आसा. हे आयज तुमी सांगले तूं कॅमेराचेर येतले की सगळे पयशे येयले. तू सांगा कितले पयशे येयल्या, कितले कोटी येयल्या पळय ते सांग.
इट इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस.
तुम्ही लोकांक वचत त्या टायमार बिलांनी मारता, लायटीची स्ट्रीट लायटीक तुम्ही लायता, तुम्ही तुमचे एक्स्ट्रा चार्जीस कितें आसता सगळे तुम्ही लोकांक मारता. आणि तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाची 300 ऑफिसां पयशे दिना. आणि सामान्य मनीस जर 1 म्हयनो दिना तेंचे लायट तुम्ही कट करता. स्ट्रीट लायट तुजी 4 पेट्टा, सांजच्या 4 पेट्टा आणि दनपारची 12 1 बसून आसता. जायते कडेन टायम टू टायम जाता. पण एका कोण जबाबदार? आणि हे पयशे हे बिल जनतेक दिवचे पडटा. हेचेर तुमचे कितें नियंत्रण आहा?
आज पर्यंत कितली ऑफिसां
सो म्हाज्या तुजे ड्यूज कितले आयज बसून येयल्या? ड्यूज कितले अजून तुजे आतां अपडेट कितें आसा लेटेस्ट? कित्याक तुमी सांगले रिकवर जाले. सो कितले रिकवर जाले आउट ऑफ दीस 600 crores? कितले रिकवर केले तुम्ही? कितली ऑफिसां खुद्द तुमची कितले अजून अपडेट जाल्या ते सांगून दिया आमकां. आणि तुम्ही जे ढवळीकाराक आतां तुम्ही सांबाळपाचो प्रयत्न केला, विच इज व्हेरी रॉंग. यू शूड नॉट डू. ही शूड एक्सप्लेन, ही शूड क्लॅरिफाय. तुम्ही एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवपाचे न्हू. तेणी व्हेरी क्लियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिडिया सांगला. आणि मिडिया भाव हांगा आसा तेंच्यांनी प्रश्न केल्या. लोकांक अशे येतले लोक सांगच्या आणि तो एग्री जाला की हे लोकांचेरूच तो लागतलो म्हणून तो एग्री जाला. सो आता 4 दिसा उपरांत तेणी दुसऱ्या दिसा स्पश्टीकरण दिवंक जाय आसलें. आता तो 4 दिसा उपरांत 5व्या दिसा सांजच्या 4 तुम्ही म्हणटा त्या हिसपान तो प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवपाक इतके दीस तेका कित्याक लागले? आयज आमी हांगा प्रोटेस्ट करपाक घेराव घालूंक येयल्या म्हणून तो आतां दिता. तुम्ही तेका सांबाळपाचो प्रयत्न करूं नाका. हे सरकार जे आसा हे सरकार लुटपाक आसा. आणि तुम्ही आसा ते आमचे ऑफिसर. तुम्ही ऑफिसर आहात ते आमच्या खातीर, तुम्ही सरकारा खातीर न्हू. तुम्ही गोयच्या जनते खातीर ऑफिसर जावन आसा. तुम्ही आमची बाजू मांडपाक जाय. सरकाराक प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें काम तुमचें न्हू. सरकाराक प्रोटेक्ट करपाचें काम ते तेंचें काम. तुम्ही तेंकां प्रोटेक्ट करूं नाका. हे फुटींग आनी परत एकदा फुटींग उडयतलो. हे सगळे मिडिया हांगा आसा. ह्या सगळ्या मिडियान तेका क्लियरली विचारलेलें की लोक सांजच्या वक्तारूच सगळी चड लायट यूज करता. हे लोक हे मिडियान विचारलेले तेच आम्ही तुमकां विचारूंक हे खरें काय म्हणून तुम्ही आता तुम्ही मिनिस्टराक सेव्ह करपाचो प्रयत्न करता ते करू नका. सो माझे प्रश्नाचे उत्तर दिया. कितले ड्यूज तुमकां येयल्या, कितले पेंडिंग आसा आणि कितली तुमची ऑफिसां खुद्द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाची 300 ऑफिसां तुम्हीच व्हरून दिला ते कितली पेंडिंग आहा ती सांगा आमकां.
Yeah. First of all, second question पहिला answer करता.
Sir, 1 minute. Since you're answering, one
No,
more
you will get a
question
chance. See, how minister protect करना. I am just explaining the stand, the issue, the clarification for which yesterday minister called me up that he was supposed to take a press conference to clarify to the people of Goa. Now it was held in the evening because morning I was called for a chief secretary's there was awareness week for which I was to be present from 10 to 1. So I had to come because of you and our people who came to so that I can give clarification. Therefore he kept the press conference at 4 o'clock. 4 or 4:30 again. I do not know when he has called up media, but he has called me at 4 o'clock with detailed paper regarding the tariff. So it is not that because you all came, he is trying to give the clarification in the evening. It was decided yesterday.
Yesterday
Number
only
one.
we decided to meet you. Yesterday and after that and only he got the information and that's why he is giving clarification.
Okay, that I do not know. Second is areas. Areas is a continuous process. Now because central government said because of the state government are also there are dues, therefore the smart metering prepaid has to be installed first to the government offices. It's a line. First is government offices. So we are going to do that. Now I said the dues, complete dues have come. I have not said because it's a continuous process. Why I am saying listen. More for the 31st March, almost 80 to 90% had come. Little or left, 10 to 12%. Now again, every time it keeps consuming. The meter keeps consuming. The government office keeps consuming, and the bills are issued. So there is 15 days plus 15 days we need to give that much period for payment. So always dues will be there.
So when you say that 80% is come, so that means around 400, more than 400 crores must have come in your office.
Listen, now I am talking government offices.
Government offices, not total.
साहेब एकूच मिनिट
त्याचा answer करता
नाव यू सेड की गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसांक 15 दिसाचो टाइम आसता आणि एक्सटेंशन ऑफ 15 दीस. येते तुम्ही पळय उत्तर दिला न्ही 600 crores इज एज ऑन 21st July 2025. फिगर खंयचो
600 crores government ड्यू केन्नाच नाशिल्ले. टोटल
टोटल ड्यू 572 करोड रुपया तुवें दिले केन्ना डेट 21 जुलयाक तुवें दिले. 21 जुलयाचो रिप्लाय. हो फिगर खंयचो 31st March 2025. सो तू एप्रिल मे जून 3 महिने खंय आशिल्लो 90 दीस खंय आशिल्लो कित्याक कट करूना तुज्या स्टेटमेंटा प्रमाणे.
आउट ऑफ व्हॉटएव्हर व्हॅल्यू कीप्स चेंजिंग. लेट्स से तुम्ही कितलो म्हणला.
हांव म्हणटा तूच म्हणटा 108 करोड गव्हर्नमेंटाचे
कितलो
पब्लिक सर्व्हिसीस 108 करोड म्हणटा.
यू आर टॉकिंग ऑफ टोटल और पब्लिक हाय सांगले ना आता फुल 80% ऑफ 108 येयल्लो.
तशें न्ही. सी दीस फिगर इज एज ऑन 31st March 2025.
सो येस
करेक्ट. तू 21 जुलयाक आमकां कितें सांगता. 21 जुलयाक तू सांगता की 108 करोड रुपया बाकी आसा एज ऑन 31st March.
येस.
सो 21 जुलय म्हळ्यार 90 दीस जाले.
जेन्ना बजेट येयले इट क्लियर.
तशें न्ही 90 दीस तुवें कित्याक तांची कट करूना. तू सामान्य म्हणजे 30 दिसान उडयता मरे.
See, it is a government department. Therefore, I told you the same thing. This smart metering
department,
is smart
electricity
metering is
department of
exactly. So, entire some of the.
अरे तो मंत्री थंय डोनेशन ताका दिला भर म्हणून.
पूण आयको
पैसे नाल्या सरकाराकडे. सरकाराकडे पैसे ताका भर म्हणटा.
कट कर म्हणा. टाइम टू टाइम पैसे घ्या न्हू.
खूप जाणे डिपार्टमेंटात घेतले. रिव्ह्यूज जाला. आता 100% जावना. Therefore, smart metering we are trying to install at the government offices.
What about commercial and industrial?
Listen. Now,
इतली वर्षा कितें करता.
commercial.
This is pending from so many years now.
Exactly.
This is pending from so many years.
10 वर्सांनी.
This is not of this year, sir.
ऐकूय म्हाका आन्सर
तुम्ही
करपाक
टेबल दिता.
हांव
ना सर तुम्ही बरो दिता आणि लोकांक कितें दिसतलें की सगळें सिस्टमॅटिक
सांगता. तुमकां आन्सर करपाक नाका.
आन्सर तुम्ही बरें दिता. आन्सर बरें दिता तुम्ही.
इंडस्ट्रियल
This सांगता तुवें
is pending.
out of 600 crores active consumers will not be more than 80 crores.
This is pending.
These all are court cases.
This is pending from
There
so
is
many years
listen,
now.
I'll tell you.
And
You are
not
right.
doing anything.
You are right.
ताजो
It is
प्रश्नाचे
been
उत्तर देऊ
pending.
ना तुम्ही.
It is pending for many years. One company only the bill was 1.23 crores. It has become 300 crores today. So this figure is of court case. One consumer only 300
कोर्ट
crores.
केस सगळे ना सर
300
कोर्ट
crores.
केस
So I am telling you, on the broader side, one case itself is 300 crores.
आणि ती कोर्ट केस कित्याक झाली
मी तातूंत डिटेलान या नाका ताज्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर मातशें दियात.
दिलें जालें.
मी खंय दिलें
दिवं ना तुम्ही अजून.
108
दिला
दिवं ना.
हांवें सांगला 108 हितूंतले बजेट येयली की ना 80% आमकां पयशे दिले.
कितले
the actual amount?
आमकां व्हॅल्यू जाय.
ना रायट ना आय कॅनॉट.
You don't ask for 80%, you calculate it, sir.
न्ही एक मिनिट कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस तुम्ही म्हणटा न्ही तुमच्याच प्रमाणे हो फिगर वॉज ऑन 31 मार्च
Yes.
2025.
Correct.
तुम्ही आता कितें सांगलें की 15 दीस आमी बिल जनरेट करता आणि 15 दीस आसता एक्सटेन्शन म्हटल्यार ताजो टाइम 30 एप्रिल 2025 सोंपलो.
Okay, see, let me give a frank this answer for this. Government offices being a necessity, emergency, all this, we do not immediately go, but we keep following up and we try to take the money. At the end of the year, full money comes to the government.
What is emergency and what is-
गोंयकारांच्या फाटल्यान लागना
Because electricity department does book adjustment through government of
ही रे
Goa's
तूं
fund.
जाय, तुम्ही जाय तेन्ना book adjustment म्हणटा.
ऐका म्हाका आन्सर करपाक दी. Whereas other consumer like commercial industry, if they close down the factory and they go, then becomes a problem. So therefore we need to disconnect.
हांव तुका हें विचारता तुमचे
And now
स्वताचे
this-
डिपार्टमेंट तुम्ही पयशे भरना आणि लोकांक
सांगता
दिवं ना. आज तर
Book
Smart meter, sir, regarding smart meter, I have one question. One smart meter, only one question.
सर आता तुम्ही म्हणले टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस तो टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस पयलो तुमचो व्हेरी क्लियरली फ्लॉड आसा तेजेर इन्क्वायरी पयलो जावपाकूच जाय नाल्यार तुम्ही रिटेंडरिंग करा. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 तुम्ही म्हणटा स्मार्ट मिटराचेर आमकां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सारखे मेळटले करेक्ट. दिसाक वयता 5 पाटी लायट.
No, electricity
No, no, no,
smart
एक
meter.
मिनिट.
Smart meter is a recording equipment. It is not giving electricity.
Coming to that,
तुम्ही
sir, I have
पहिले
one question to that
इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर
only.
इन प्लेस कित्याक घालना सर.
Therefore,
आता
in the
one-
last
second, one
3
second.
years-
Lorenzo,
last 3
my
years,
question is just related to that, sir.
infrastructure
One second.
is good.
तुम्ही स्पोर्ट इन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी फॉरदानी लायट पडत आसा. तुम्ही स्मार्ट मीटर घालून
There's
कितें
fluctuation in
फायदो.
electricity. Okay, now your smart meter that you're going to install, and there's fluctuation in the electricity and power cuts. Is there any chance that the reading or anything can get, again it can restart or it can go zero? Because of power fluctuation, the smart meters,
No.
the reading can change.
No.
The readings can change.
Or the reading can spike.
Yeah, something can happen. There can be a lot of things. How are you so sure that these things will not affect the reading of the meter?
इलेक्ट्रिकल
So my question, please answer to that.
Just ask one question.
Even our advocate Carlos has agreed to it that when there are fluctuation in power cuts, the reading of the meters can spike. You're saying it can go zero, but it can spike. So what is the guarantee and how can you assure the people of Goa that by installing smart meter we can get the right readings and they will not be cheated?
एक मिनिट आता आम्ही आयिल्ले हांगा एकूच प्रश्नाक लागून डायव्हर्टला समाप्त करूं. एक मिनिट डिस्कशन हे लांब वता. आमी कित्याक आयिल्ले त्या मुद्द्याचेर परत येवया की ताका वचपा जाय. आमी हांगा सिंपल कितें आयिल्ले बाब अमरनाथान दोतोरान सांगलें की मंत्र्यान एक स्टेटमेंट केलो. मिडियान ताका प्रश्न केलो. ताणें मिडियाक सरळ सांगलें की तुमी स्टडी करनासतना आपल्याक विचारता स्टडी करा. ताणें तेंय सांगलें की बाबा आपूण प्रपोजल घातला आणि जो मनीस 5 उपरांत पळय एक्सेस पॉवर कंज्यूम करतलो ताका आमी 20% एक्स्ट्रा लायतले. सध्या तुजे कडेन कसलेच मेकॅनिझम ना की बाबा म्हज्या घरान हांव कितली कंज्यूम करता खंयच्या टायमार कितली करता हें ना. हें केन्ना येतलें जेन्ना पळय तुज्या आतां बॅक डोरान तो स्मार्ट मिटर पळय रेडी जाता तें येतकीच तुका कळटलें की बाबा कोणें कितली खंयच्या वराचेर लायट यूज केली. सो मंत्र्यान पळय स्टेटमेंट केला तो सारको केला. एकदा स्मार्ट मिटर आयले की आमच्या तकलेर गोंयकाराच्या तकलेरी तलवार पडपाची आसा. आणि बाब अमरनाथान सांगलें तूं मंत्र्याक प्रोटेक्ट करूं नाका तूं आमचो मनीस. यू आर हियर फॉर द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. लोक गोंयचे तुका बऱ्या नदरेन पळयता की बाबा तूं आमकां वाचयतलो. हे मंत्री आज आसा फाल्यां आसचे ना. वर्सभर उरला तांचे मॅक्झिमम 12 ते 13 म्हयने हे गेले. सो आमकां तूं गोंयच्या जनतेक तो मंत्री कितें उलयता ते 4:30 उलोव. तुवें सांगलें की आपूण डोमेस्टिकाक हे लावचो ना तेची तू ऑर्डर काड आणि गोयच्या जनतेचो प्रश्न मिटय. स्मार्ट मीटरचे आम्ही मागीर नेक्स्ट टाइम तुझ्याकडे येऊया. हे बाबा 900चे 450चे 900 करता तर सेपरेट येऊया.
Listen, but at street lights also, why should they charge us for double? We are paying in Maharashtra.
दुसरे आता तुझ्या मंत्र्यान कितें सांगलें की तुम्ही म्हणटा तो नाका तशे लायट वापरता म्हणून तुमकां फायन पडपा जाय. ताणें सांगलें की तुमच्यो ज्यो रस्त्याच्यो स्ट्रीट लायट आहा पळय त्यो दिसभर चालू आनी ते तुजे थोडी कडेन आसता.
टायमर असता त्या टायमर एक केन्नाय फेल जाता सो त्या प्लेसीर कितें आसता कंटिन्युअसली चलता. सो वेन एवर समबडी कॉल्स अस वी टेक इमिजिएट एक्शन. येस्टरडे वन सांतिनीज लेडी कॉल्ड अप इमिजिएटली to me. Then I immediately send my person. So you can always help. It is our responsibility. I am not trying to see.
No lights only.
हे पोल पैसा ती आयन पोल
बरं आता
जो आता ताणे ते ना एकदा तो करता. शिरगावच्या जात्रेक लाईट गेली हांवें फोन केला आणि 5 मिनिटांनी चालू केली. ते तो करता ते त्याची नाही करना. पूण आता ना थँक्यू न्ही. हे तू आता आमचे 400 450 करोड वाचोवपाक आमकां तुजी हेल्प जाय. आम्ही वी विल नॉट लीव दीस मिनिस्टर. हे कोणे मोदीन केला कोणे केला थंय आमकां ते आमचे आता तू क्लॅरिफिकेशन ऑर्डर काढ कितें ते काढ की बाबा आपूण जे एक्सेस कितें लोक यूज करता वडेवर ते मिनिस्टरान कितें स्टेटमेंट केला आपल्या खबर ना. एज डिपार्टमेंट वी विल नॉट इम्प्लिमेंट इट. जाल्यार काबार कोण काबार तुझी मंत्र्याची नाका. अरे मंत्री एक उलयता आनी मागीर तूं डिपेंड करता.
मंत्री सगळे युटर्न सकाळी उलयता सांजचे दुसरेच उलयता. आमचे सीएम खुद्द
ऑर्डर काडटा सांगची ऑर्डर काडटा.
I'm giving one copy, sir. Right?
आम्ही कॉपी देता तुका ते टाइम बीम सगळे घालून जे टाइम
सो ऑर्डर काडल्या मरे सांगची
टेंडर स्क्रॅप करा.
टेंडर स्क्रॅप जाल्यार आमकां खूब लॉस जाता.
आता तू सांगची ऑर्डर काड सो दॅट गोंयचे लोक बाबा टेन्शन ना.
देखो तुमकां तें टेन्शन कमी करपाक you also has to help as opposition.
किती करू सांग बरं हेल्प. आम्ही आयले
क्लॅरिफिकेशन सांगला न्ही ते ना म्हणटा
ते ऑर्डर काढ तुम्ही त्यांना
आठवडो देऊया. ना ना आता तुका एक आठवड्याचो टाइम दिता आम्ही. सांगचो नाका
त्यांना म्हटलं
तुमचं सरकार मागीर तूच आमकां ग्रांट
म्हणल्यार थोडे अग्री केले आमचे सरकार
आम्ही तुझ्या अंडर 2 वर्सां जायना. तू आता मातशें एक स्टेटमेंट दिलो कन्सोल 2 वर्सां तुका सांगल्या
म्हाका उठपा दिना